So here on the Taglynx Create Tags page, this is the page you're going to fall on after you first log in and finish your initial setup. In this case, we set up a naming convention called Google UTM Naming Convention. All your naming conventions will be here in the drop-down as you create more. But for now, we're just going to be creating some tags in the Google UTM Naming Convention and the tags are going to be across a social media campaign that we'll be launching in January of 2020. So for that, the social media campaign is going to send a URL back to TrueMetrics.net's website. So the first thing we're going to do is enter a destination URL as TrueMetrics.net. And then from the different UTM parameters we have set up here in our naming convention, we can actually go ahead and choose the medium. This is not a banner ad, this will be a social campaign. So we go ahead and click social, and you'll see that the actual source becomes a drop-down that's populated with the different platforms. So in this case, we'll leave it on Facebook. In the campaign itself, we're just going to call Jan_2020, just to keep track of that. But let's say that the campaign is actually going to be across multiple different platforms. You can go ahead and choose 3 tags to create at once and just update the actual source itself. So instead of Facebook, this one will be on Twitter, and then this one will be on Instagram. And for all 3 tags, you can preview what the actual URL will look like prior to creating the tag right down here. So this one's a Facebook, a Twitter, and an Instagram. We can go ahead and create those tags. Now we see we have the 3 tags created, and Taglynx went ahead and created short URLs for each one of those tags that we can send out for that campaign. So whenever people are clicking through our campaign to come through to TrueMetrics website, we'll be able to track it with these short URLs. So when we go to View Tags, we can see the new URLs, the new tags that we just created with their long URLs, short URLs, and we can customize this actual table or export any of these tags as we'd like.